Morning walk time.
Morning.
The overachievers.
Morning walk time. It is indeed.
Hey everybody, it's the end of week 1 here at Highlands Hammock State Park here in Sebring, Florida. We've got 3 incredible things to share with you for this video. If you haven't seen the first one, roll back a couple of days and watch that first, but it's pretty awesome.
Keep watching. Hey there, we're Shar and Phil of A Year to Volunteer, and that's right, we have 3 big things to share with you, and they just keep getting bigger and better. So starting off with the first one, which is how amazing our crew has been working out here.
Take a look at all this good stuff.
I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink.
This is that old CCC building that needs some love, built in the 30s and early 40s before World War II. Getting a fresh coat of paint.
I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did. 'Cause now you adore me. Adore me. Go ahead now. Adore me. Adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong.
And this is the trail crew right here. We got a lot of stuff going on right now.
I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart.
Take that middle one.
All right, the second thing we wanted to share is the overwhelming generosity of this our volunteer or RVer crew here behind us. This state park, as well as a lot of state parks here in Florida, suffered a huge budget hit because of Hurricane Ian, and they were running out of supplies.
So we told our team that there was going to be some budget issues with the work that we were going to do here. So everybody pitched in, and we have raised about $1,500 to help support this park.
And what you see behind us is some of that lumber. We went to the local lumber store to help them rebuild a fence that honestly the whole thing needed to be rebuilt, not just fixed. And so they're taking this fencing material out to redo the entire fence out at June Lake. So incredible, and we've got a lot more where that money can go.
Absolutely.
The third thing that Phil and Shar want to share is that they hit a major milestone this week.
That is Louise, and Louise and George have a channel called Miles Across the USA. You should check them out on YouTube, and they've done like 5 projects. So thanks for doing that, Louise.
Thank you for letting us be a part of this wonderful organization.
Yeah.
We've got big news.
Yes, it's a milestone day here at YTV, and you're about to see why.
Can you still see me?
So as you know, we called A Year to Volunteer because we wanted to do at least 365 days of volunteering, and we did that today. So congratulations. And just to show what a stud I am, I'm going to open up
So
the
we're
ball.
done.
All right, open up your
Yep.
glasses.
Hey, good luck finishing this project. We're out of here.
To wonderful people like you that made this possible. To A year!
Oh, that's the one. You're my favorite.
Dominoes.